Hillbilly Nitro, your internet knife and gun guru. Here we are, guys, back with another episode. Got a little unboxing for you guys today. Oh yeah, it's been in the making. Had this one about a week. What is that? Oh, MKE? Oh, maybe it's an AP5 from Century Arms. Import only. Let's see here. This is AP5 / MP5 clone. Very legit. So it's a beauty. You guys are gonna like it. Gonna show it to you guys, then we'll take a little up close and personal look with it. So here we are, guys. I'm finally off sick bay for right now from the surgery. Feeling a little bit better. Got to get this one to the range. But welcome all you new subscribers. Thank you guys for hopping aboard on the channel. So we're gonna get right into this one. Enough of the yakking. So here we go. So yeah, had this one about a week. Got it picked it up last Saturday. Now we're here to this Saturday, 9/11. So look at that. Oh yeah. So here she is. Now this is a little different. It's kind of a little bit of unboxing here, but this rig right here does not come with this SB tactical brace on it. I put this on it. It is a folder, but yeah, it's a pistol brace. Gotta do what we gotta do. It actually comes with the end cap here. So you guys take a look at that. Very nicely made end cap there. It's got some weight to it, so it's nice. Nice finish on it. Matches the whole gun. This SB tactical doesn't match all that well, but what are you gonna do? Otherwise, if you want to put the real daddy on there, you got to do some paperwork on her. So we may do that with this one. Not really made my mind up yet. But anyways, we'll get to it here. So this is a beautiful, beautiful clone of an MP5. This is the Century Arms import AP5 by MKE, made in Turkey, as you've seen there on the sticker there. Beautiful piece. Oh yeah. So to give her the full look there you guys go right there. Look at that. Feels great. Got a little weight to it. MP5 originally introduced in 1966 by H&K. Classic design. It's an iconic subgun in my opinion. It's one of those iconic silhouettes there. I mean, you know when you see an MP5. These days they kind of look a little different because everybody's throwing pistol braces on them, but you know when you see an MP5. I looked very hard at the PTR. There's some other copies out there. This is basically a Zenith. Zenith is a manufacturer, or an importer. But they had a little falling out with MKE, and so Century Arms picked up the contract. Now I already had a guy when I posted a picture of this. Oh, if it's got anything to do with Century, I hope it'll run. Blah 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 blah. All Century has to do with this is import. This is MKE, made in Turkey. They've been making firearms since like 1909. This is built on licensed German tooling. And HKA just don't throw their stuff out to anybody. So we know anything about HKA. So this is a legit copy right here. I've already been through it. Lubed her up real good. Took all that old, I guess you would call it machining oil they throw on. I don't know. It could be regular oil, but it had a brown like film to it. So I stripped all the factory oil off of it, as I do with every firearm I buy, and ballastalled her up with the German WD-40 ballastall. She's nice and lubed up now. Beautiful gun, guys. This is legit. Welds look great on it. It's a beauty, guys. So I'm probably gonna make this like an old school kind of clone, maybe. I don't know. I kind of wanted to do the PDW stock with the slides in, but I couldn't find it with the SB Tactical one. So I went with this one. I like this one because you can actually get a bit of a cheek weld on here, and it feels better. The PDW stock, you're only going to get your chin right here, and you're going to be up like this. I kind of like having that cheek weld, not the chin weld. So, yeah, it comes with a Picatinny claw adapter here for optics and everything. I got that on there. I've had the aim point on it. Looks pretty sweet. May have to get another aim point to throw on this. I don't know. We'll see. I'm not really sure. I think I'm going to put an optic on it, even though I'm kind of leaning towards an old school look for this. It's a legit copy, guys. And I forgot one thing to bring out here. Okay, here we go. So it comes with this little flash hider here, which is quite pricey if you just buy this flash hider by itself. This thing's like $150 by itself. It is tri-lug, quality piece right here. I've heard it works very well. We're going to start up tip up here. We'll work our way to the butt, you know. So we got half the 28 threads. So if you ain't got direct thread suppressors. So we have half by 28 threads there with a thread protector. We have tri-lug, very solid mount up right there. So there's options there, guys, and I like options. Then we have this, which is tri-lug. Got a little device there to hold it on there. So we'll just pop that right on there, and it'll spin until you engage this lever right here, which locks her up tight. And there is your suppressor, or flash suppressor. Oops, I pointed gun at you. What a beauty though, guys. It is a beauty. Love it. Can't say that enough about it. Got the drum sight here. It's got 4 different little peep sights in there, which is original to the original MP5. I tell you guys, it was hard for me to pick between the PTR and this one right here. Those are both out on the market right now. These originally come into the country about 6 months ago, 5-6 months ago. They were upwards of around 3,000, 2,500 to 3 easy. And now they've come down in price, and you can find them between 17 and about 2. They'll be right around that area. And the PTR is running about 15, 16, maybe a little less, maybe a little more. And even the thing is, the PTR is a little different. It's not quite as accurate as a clone. It has the welded on 1913 rail up here on top here, the Picatinny rail. It sets a little further back, which is kind of good because you can catch your thumb racking it. I haven't had that issue, but you can catch your thumb, but I haven't had the issue. Some people do. Just depends on your thumb, I guess. But no issues there for me. And like I said, it was a hard choice, and I decided, you know, with the PTR, you got to remember you got lifetime. I think they got like a lifetime warranty. If it's not lifetime, you know, you got customer service to call. And with this, no, not really, no. This is imported from Turkey. But, you know, I took a chance, and I looked at all the reviews, and I've seen people talking about their Zeniths, and even some people talking about these. I never seen anybody say that they wish they'd bought a PTR instead of one of these, or a Zenith. So, took that into effect, and everybody I've seen that had the PTRs loved them. So I may have a PTR one day. I'm kind of planning on getting one. Maybe the K model, a little shorty. But anyways, you know, like I said, I'm old school, and I'm not wanting to go with the legit clone, and this is probably it. All this is pretty much German, just built in Turkey. I mean, built on German tooling. Everything matches up to be German, and the little end cap, even down to the little end cap right here. It comes with the original HK sling there, old school 3-point sling, kind of out of date, but cool. You got the HK hook on there. It comes with a legit military cleaning kit. Very nice. Had oil all over everything when I got it, so you know, doing what it's supposed to do. I've kind of cleaned it up a little bit, but that's that. Come with a chamber flag, and there's a little tube right here. I don't know why they put this in here. I mean, they could have done a little better there. And with some Century Arms propaganda here. There she is, right there. Sporting their ammo right there, the Red Army Standard, decent ammo. I ain't shot very much of it. And, anyways, so that's what it comes with. 2 MKE mags. These are legit mags right here, made in Turkey. The HK mags made in Germany will run you about 75 to 80, maybe even 100, depending on where you get them. I found some online for about 68, but tax and shipping, they were 75 bucks. So I haven't heard anybody have any problems with these. And you get some KCI mags, they run about, I don't know, almost half of what these things run. They're about 40 bucks, something like that, around 35, 40 bucks. There's ETS mags out there. I don't mess with ETS. I don't need to. They make them for Glocks and all that stuff, and I've never even bought one for a Glock, so don't really need one. They're budget, and most people have pretty good opinions of them, but they do have issues, and I don't know. I can't really speak because I've never run any of them, but I hear what you guys say, so you know, if that's what you got, buy them up. But I try to stick with legit stuff, OEM. So I'll probably buy a couple of H&K and maybe a few more of these, maybe a KCI or 2 made in the USA. But yeah, I guess we'll get you guys a little bit of a closer up, and we'll wrap this video up. Okay guys, we're going to take a little closer up look here, take a look at these welds and everything. Getting a little dark out here for us. Anyways, here we go. We'll start from tip and go to butt. Tip to butt. Yeah, that's what I get there. So there you go. We'll go ahead right here, right here. Give her that HK slap one more time for you. Feels beautiful. There you are. I can take it up here and show you a barrel. I have an original HK handguard coming for it. There's your barrel right there. Very nicely done. 2021 production. And we have a little pin there. And this goes right in there. Simple handguards on these things. I can't wait to get to the range to shoot it. You guys will be there to see the first shots fired. There's your selector there. 0 to 1. I've had the trigger group or trigger pack out of it and everything, and it's legit. Check those welds out. Those welds are nice. I'm not happy with this one right here. This one could be a little bit better right here. That weld right there could be a little bit better. Better than what I've seen on a lot of H&Ks. That's been most people's opinion on these little pistols / carbines. There you go, there's your markings there. Made in Turkey. There's your brace there, a little dog hair on it. Like I said, she folds up, you just press that right there. Kind of hinky right there, but it works. It'll work. Nice little backpack gun right there. Let you guys check out this. Try to load it up here. Just pop that off. That's your 1/2 of 28 threads behind that cap. There's your tri-lug. chrome plate, or yeah, chrome follower in there. That's very nice. I'm already numbered there. Let me get again. Let you guys take a look at that. There you go. Okay guys, it's getting a little dark on us here. I thank you guys for stopping by and hanging out with me, checking this little bad boy out. Getting a little dark on us, so we have to wrap this up. Stay tuned for the range video on this. Just got a case of 9mm in. We're gonna put probably about 500 rounds through her. Do a little testing on her there. So I thank you guys for stopping by and hanging out with this little unboxing here. Got a lot more of this baby on the channel. So, until then guys, we're going to log this one in the history books heavily. Over and out of here guys. Peace.